Hey folks, welcome back to another video on the 1993 Miata. This is going to be a super quick one. So as a lot of you guys know, Miatas typically come with sun visors, but they're pretty big, bulky, and in the way. And if you're a tall person, they're definitely in the way. Anyways, mine are already removed. They're pretty simple to remove. You just use a screwdriver, as you can see. But it's pretty ugly. You get these little holes. You can see like kind of the paint over here, and it'd be nice to just be able to cover them up with something. So that's where this comes in from eSpec Garage. I'll have the link to where I purchased this down below, but they're literally just some 3D printed little inserts. You might be able to actually find something if you have a 3D printer to grab these and print them yourself for free. But anyways, all relevant links will be in the description. We're just going to be installing these today and seeing how they look on a bone stock 1993 Miata, or mostly bone stock. You can see on the other side here, tools for the install. Literally all you're going to need is a Phillips head, screwdriver, very simple. Now, the specific ones that I bought online, since I don't have a 3D printer, do have the brand logo. The way this is meant to be installed is actually with the logo kind of facing in place. As you can see, there's little recesses for the screws in here, and I mean, you could have the logo facing if you wanted to, but I think it's going to look a lot cleaner just like this, and it's definitely just meant to go this way. And here they are installed. Just took a couple of minutes. You can see it's definitely a little bit of a different colored plastic, but realistically, as you're driving, you're not really going to be paying too much attention, and it definitely looks a lot better and is, I guess a little bit safer if you have your hands up here so you don't cut them on any random holes in metal. They look pretty good. I'm happy with it overall. You could definitely 3D print these yourselves and just plop them in if you are set up to do so, but I am not, so you know what? Pretty good deal. Yeah, I said this would be a pretty quick video, so there you go. Thanks, everybody. We've got lots more to come on the way for this Miata this year.